Exceptionally private, exquisitely luxurious, and extensively remodeled, this European-inspired modern mansion showcases breathtaking ocean and mountain vista. Nestled serenely on approximately 3 picturesque acres in one of Montecito's most sought-after neighborhoods. It is the result of a collaboration between award-winning builder Allen Construction, internationally acclaimed design firm Harrelson Design, and the visionary landscape architects of Arcadia Studio. Together, this trifecta of consummate experts has created a monumental home, intertwining the timeless elegance of French-style architecture and Montecito's coveted ambiance of relaxed sophistication. Leave the world behind when you enter the gates of this extremely private Montecito compound. A delightful gated pergola opens to the entry courtyard. An impressive portico announces the main entrance to the home, where a long central gallery hallway awaits. From there, a large archway reveals the living room, inviting, embracing, and calming. The stone fireplace mantelpiece, richly stained French oak floor, and walnut coffered ceiling create an old-world patina. 3 significant archways opening to the sprawling terrace. The kitchen, pantries, and informal dining area are complemented by and open to a spacious and versatile room that makes the entire area a great room. The home perfectly tailored to the indoor-outdoor lifestyle. The first floor master suite is a sanctuary of relaxed luxury, occupying its own wing of the residence and rivaling suites at many of the world's finest resorts, with access to a private terrace overlooking the grounds. The beautifully appointed state-of-the-art theater is fitted with plush reclining seating and a domed night sky ceiling. Adjacent to the theater is a climate-controlled wine cellar and an exercise room. There's a gracious guest house and a sizable 4-car garage. Outside, inspired placement of mature oaks, succulent gardens, and other drought-tolerant landscaping complements hardscape elements such as native stone walls and a selection of fountains and stone walkways. Loggias and terraces provide breathtaking views of the Pacific Ocean and the Channel Islands over a sea of verdant treetops. This home offers the ultimate in refined country living.